Hello, welcome to AJO Autoparts tutorials, and today we are looking at product capture and upload. As a vendor, how can you successfully upload your products into the website and then getting the things right, the necessary information that you need to pay attention to. Okay, so we will zoom right into the marketplace or the seller center. So now this is how it looks like, the dashboard for the marketplace, the vendor marketplace, where you get to see your profile, add products, and then all kind of stuff. You can also watch our previous video concerning the overview of the marketplace, so that you can understand what each button means. Okay, so we go to add product. Okay, so here are the fields that we need to provide the necessary information. So when it comes to uploading products, we have, let's say, 4 major categories. So we have the product information, product description, product pricing, and then the product image. So let's begin with the product information. So the product I want to upload is an engine oil courtesy of Total. Okay, so we have the Total engine oil products. So we will take the first product, that is the Total Quartz 5000. So this is the product name. So you can just copy it, then we come back here, then paste the product name, and then in selecting the category. Okay, this is actually under the engine oils category. So if you know the category, we can either just scroll through the categories to select it, or you just hit the F3 key on your keyboard, the F3, or you can go to the Firefox menu and then you go to search, find on the page there, or the Control F, any of them. So you can just hit the F3 key and then set find on page. So what we are looking for is the engine oil category. So we just type engine oil, and then it will take us straight to the engine oil category. So just click on the engine oil and then it's selected. And then when we come to the manufacturers also, so this is a Total manufacturer, so we can just scroll through here, or we can just type Total, and then we can use the down arrow key to move to the next. Okay, so anyway, we have not added the Total to manufacturers here. So usually when you are uploading a product and then the manufacturer is not listed, what you can do is that you can come to ask to admin, and then you just request to add a new manufacturer or brand. Then just write something simple. I want to add a new brand. To the list of manufacturers. Total. So you can just request for your brand to be added, and you click the ask, and then the web administrator will get the information, and then we will reply to the mail and then activate that brand for you. Okay, so now that that is out of the way, usually if your brand is not available, you can just select the generic brand, or you can just request for it. Okay, so now the next one is the stock values. So let's say we have 20 pieces of the total cost 5,000 engine oil. Yes. And then okay, if you know the weight, you can also add the weight, whether it's 1 kilogram, or the metric is in kg. So if you want to go below 1 kilogram, it has to be 0.5 or 0.2 to give you the idea that it's 500 grams. And for the SKU, for now you can leave it blank, because one of the things we will do at the quality control, or before we approve the upload, is to assign a unique SKU for the item that you're uploading. Okay, so we are done on this page. We go to the next one. That's the product description. Yeah, the product description, just use the product short description. Okay, so we will go back to the total website. At least they have information for us. Usually we don't want to give a lot of information that is not unnecessary, so we just have to focus on the punchlines, or something that is straight to the point. So we have here product description. So it enhances engine. This is simple to read, simple to understand, so you can just lift this information and then come here and then push it at the short description. At least it has to be in bullets, yeah, so that it becomes easy to read and understand. So now we are done here. We move to product pricing. Okay, so with the product pricing, you always have to focus on the base price. So let's say okay, let's say this engine is going for 150 cedis. So the 150 cedis is the base price. So, and then the currency definitely is Ghana cedi. If you want to apply some discount, you can maybe select any of the 5% or 10%, or let's say for now we are not giving any discount, so we just ignore that one. Then we also have the tax rule. Usually we just apply the default, or just leave it for that one. So the sales price is a calculation of all these, the tax and then the discounts that will be calculated on the base price, and then the sales price will just be it's like an automatic calculation, so you don't have to worry about that one. And then we come to the product image. So when uploading the product image, currently we've limited the maximum image size to 1 megabyte. The whole idea is that if the image is huge, loading the image on a website becomes it takes a long time to load images. So we prefer we get the images in the at least below 1 megabyte. And then the image dimensions that we use, it has to be a square with white background, and the measurement in pixel, that is 900 by 900. Okay, so I'll have to first of all get the image from the total website. So usually I right click, I go to save image, and then I save the image on the computer. So now the next thing is to resize the images. Is to resize the image to the standard size that we use on the AJO website. Okay, so now that the Photoshop software is uploaded, we go to create new. Usually when it comes to the measurement, that we select the pixel and then 900 width, 900 height. So once that is done, we click on the create. So I now have to look for the image and then drag it to Photoshop. Yeah, usually you just have to check that the image is in the middle and then maybe stretch it to make it fill the whole canvas. So once you are set, you press the enter and then the yes. So now once you press the enter, the image is now stuck. So now what the next thing we are going to do is to export the image as a JPEG. So go to the file, save as. So we come to the file type and we select JPEG. Now we just give it the name Autoparts 5000 engine oil. Yes, and with this app it also helps us to understand. So now the final export of this image will be 178 kilobytes, and that is preferred. Okay, so now that is done, we click on the upload image. We click on the upload image, then we click on choose from system. So the next thing is to locate the picture that we just saved. Okay, so now that the image has been uploaded, we click on save. Okay, so now said your product successfully saved. So now the product has been submitted. So now what the next thing is waiting for admin approval. So once it gets to this place, it means that you are done as a vendor. So the web administrator will take care, inspect the information that you have provided, and then approve the product for you. So to go over what we've just done, you can click on the edit. Okay, so now we can go over everything that we've just updated. And also let's add something. When you click on the upload image, sometimes it's kind of plays hide and seek. So another shortcut is that once you put the cursor on the upload image, you press the down arrow key on your keyboard, and then the mouse is able to come down to the choose from system, then you can just click it. So that's also something that can help you upload the image faster in case you are having a challenge with the hide and seek kind of issue. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can, as a vendor, you can still click on the ask for admin, and then we will attend to your questions. Thank you.